You understand from the title? September is it September? What's the mighty name of Jesus?
Amen.
It's always in my mind, like
Sounds on your mind. Making me walk in the streets of Abuja. My parents not showing me like this. Strong head. I'm stubborn. I eat coconut for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, let's raise you up. Raise me up. Okay, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nene. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back to my videos. So yeah, this is going to be technically an October vlog, but this is going to be my last first month of college or university, and my last semester in my last level, and yeah, this is going to be the last. You understand from the title. Okay, first I'm going to insert I'm coming. I'm so late. Think. I'm going to insert a clip. Me and my friends are going to have a house. From last semester, I was going from home. We got a house that we'll be staying in for the semester, so I'll insert that right now. Hey guys, what's up? So it's an October vlog. So yeah, it's not October yet. It's actually September. In September, is it September 30th? So tomorrow is October, but we're going to pretend as if today is October. So today we're going to school, going to go to the house. I'm going to also edit a video that I'm supposed to post tomorrow. I'll link it up here. It's I cut my hair video. I actually trimmed my hair myself. Oh my god, it looks terrible. I know, thank you. How do you feel to be not Neye's roommate?
Literally, I cannot know.
Imagine two chaotic people being roommates. This is just going to be
Two chaotic people with OCD.
I don't have OCD.
I think you do.
I don't have OCD.
Okay, well,
I have OCD in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen. That might be our first fight.
What?
I don't know, something.
I feel, what will our first fight be? I feel like you will not take something serious and then I'll get irritated. I don't feel like
I might take something too seriously.
No, if you take something serious, I'll ignore you. So yeah, today me and my parents are going to an international trade fair. I'm rushing because they're already leaving and I'm late and I look very oily. I'm taking pictures and TikToks throughout today. If you want to follow me on my Instagram or my TikTok, you know. Inside this place now, feel out the right, all the things I say, I'll make them run away, but I'll keep trying.
please wait, let's go and see what's going on. If it's safe, we can ask you to come.
It is safe from what?
If the environment is safe, we can now come to the.
Give me that face cap.
Which face cap?
Let me cover my.
You look nice now. You look okay.
How do you do?
See her acting as if she knows
Control freak.
Control freak, exactly.
Back here, follow here, divert here.
Left, right.
Left, right.
Now, probably, we'll go in there.
Hi, roommates.
If the sun comes out, God knows I'm not gonna be out. Jesus!
Are you seeing the amount of... Ma, please remove 15 naira, sorry.
No, don't leave it. Osas
Make it 200.
Osas is there.
Make it... Okay, no problem. 250, yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
To show my Paco lifestyle. Paco life. Not that bad.
Oh.
I promised myself I wasn't going to touch the top of this thing because like her hands were everywhere there.
But you bought it still.
The boss is still.
The sink is there, queen. Throw it away, queen. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. It is Monday. I'm about to have my very first lecture today. This door. I'm about to have my very first lecture today. I'm at home in my house, the house I have not shown. I don't think I've shown you guys the house. I wanted to wait till Ella comes back fully. But today we're having our first lectures, and I thought it would be a good day to vlog, like my first lectures, first day back at school. But I realized, first of all, the professor does not even like you bring out your phone, not talk of you videoing things, and it's in a place where I can't hide it. So I'll try my best to vlog today. If I can't, I can't. If I can, I can. Just gonna try my best today. So I will see you guys in school. See Mr. Sydney. I wish it was in science theater. I would have kept it on that chair. Yeah, and then be videoing myself doing class. But then this is Isu. Isu that doesn't even like seeing your phone beside you. The group chat will be like, in MCB lab, lecturer is around. Come now, she's locking door. How does it feel to be in the finals?
Feels good. I don't know, like it's always in my mind, like
Someone's on your mind.
October, November,
December. You're good. Although you're coming back January, sure.
Oh yeah.
For convocation. Clearance, I will take 10 months.
Okay.
And that's should be I told you to go since.
Let's go and stand the people.
Donald, how are you? How are you? Have you ever been in my video before? Never.
Oh, she did. Okay. What's no? I'm good now. I one of her. You guessed her, and then I know her stuff. Yeah.
Write social media videos for me. I'm not going to be the one to bring out your point. If we have time, we go back to those videos. If we don't, one in your time. Timing your time and cycle your time. Every day. Come into the bedroom.
Hi. You're going to do the vlog, right? Yeah, let's Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Today is definitely going to be the end of this vlog. I look terrible and I'm breaking out badly because I keep taking dairy, I keep taking milk, I keep taking cheese. Am I going to stop? Probably not. Am I going to keep complaining about myself breaking out? Definitely am. So I keep breaking out and I'm so sad because, like, why can't I take dairy? Why can't I take milk? Making me walk in the streets of Abuja. My parents not showing me like this. They put me inside car. Ask somebody. This hill that we're walking on right now, your fault. I said ask. He said no. Strong head. I'm stubborn. I eat coconut for breakfast, lunch and dinner. See me. And if you hit me, I'll fall down here. I'm not eating today.